If you call on Dayloom, what you're going to find is we take our time to create a wonderful lighting design for your property. We're unlike any other lighting company really in the Mid-Atlantic region in that our design abilities, our products that we've developed give us more tools in our toolbox to create these designs. Our focus is really old world craftsmanship. We want to build systems that last. While we're not going to be the low-cost leader, that's not the market we've chosen to go after. We've chosen to really try and be the very best, to offer our area the very best in lighting design, the very best in installation, the very best in products, and also the very best in service. If you have a chance, look at what our customers say about us. See neighboring properties that we've done. We have up to about 10,000 installations locally, and just see our products and see our systems and start paying attention to lighting design. And we're happy to share the list of neighbors that we have with you, so you can really start seeing why a Dayloom project looks different than just lights on a home.